Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to change your machine teeth. This is your machine teeth, this thing right here. So sometimes it might be malfunctioning, or maybe it's no longer sharp. That's what that's the tool that is responsible for dragging the fabric while sewing. Understand? So if perhaps your machine teeth is not functioning, or maybe it's no longer sharp again, I'll show you how to change it in this tutorial. Please, if this is your first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we drop a new video. So without further delay, let's get into the tutorial proper. All you have to do is you first of all lose these two screws here. You use a flat screwdriver, then these two screws here. This is the screw that is holding the machine teeth. These two screws here, I hope you can see it. These two screws. So all you have to do is you lose it, and now bring the new machine teeth. Make sure that is the same size as the old one, R28. That's mostly the machine teeth size for manual machines, butterfly, flying man, singer, and the rest. So this is the machine teeth. You bring your new one. So you just put it back. So that's it. That's why you see how it works. So moving the fabric. So that's it. Now all you have to do is raise your needle up, then you put back this one up. That's all. Let's test it. Let's test it. All right, let me get a fabric. All right, so let's test our machine teeth. This guy is working perfectly. Enjoy this video. If you find it useful, kindly give it a thumb up, and please do well to subscribe if you are new to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification button so you get notified anytime we drop a new video.